What if there was a video game controller that could replace all the video game controllers in your collection right now? Controllers like this, and this one, that one, of course this, that, this, and even one of these. Okay, maybe not that, but how about these two? Well, we've made something that can do everything these controllers can do and a little bit more. And what would we call a controller that can replace all the controllers in your collection? Well, you would call it the All Controller. For the past 2 years, we've been designing this controller by creating a bunch of different models, coming up with different internal components and external pieces to really get the best features we could possibly fit in a tiny package. Right out of the box, our controller has a bunch of different drivers built into it so that you can connect to virtually any operating system on any computer you own. And not only that, you'll be able to play any video game ever made. And when we say any video game, we literally mean that. If the game didn't have controller support initially, you'll be able to control your mouse and keyboard directly from the controller itself. The All Controller can connect to Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it also has the ability to connect to iOS and Android. Just use the built-in screen on the controller to select the device you want to connect to, and then connect. It's just that easy. And that built-in screen isn't just for connecting to different devices. You're also able to customize the controller in a bunch of different ways. Remap every single button, every single joystick, invert them, adjust their dead zones, adjust their sensitivity, and adjust the trigger sensitivity. Whatever you want to do, you're capable of doing it with our built-in operating system within the controller itself. If you want, you can even set up the entire controller to just do macros, or set up macros on the fly. Whatever game you're playing, however you want to play it, this controller will give you more options than any other controller ever made. We're adding new support for devices all the time through software updates for our controller, and those software updates are totally free. Once you've gotten the controller, we'll be adding new features as time goes on. Alongside the All Controller, we'll also be releasing a dongle that allows you to connect to the Xbox 360, Xbox One, PlayStation 3, and PlayStation 4. And all of the features you've seen, all that customizability, also works on those systems as well. Everything you've seen in this video is based off of a real controller that already works, but what we need your help to do is raise enough money so that we can produce these things on a larger scale and start sending them out to people. So if you want to help us, check out our Kickstarter page below, and thank you so much for watching.